Yeah, so right now I'm installing the lights. Got my coffee, you know what I mean? Drill, and I got my lights here. I got some little small lights that goes up in the roof. I got 3 of them. Plus, I got a box to control it, and then I have. It comes with a plug at the end. You can see it comes with a 3-spark plug, which is gonna just be hanged around here, where I can plug other stuff into it. And right here is where I'm gonna put my electric box. But I'm thinking maybe under the counter here is the best place to put the electric box, away from all stuff. But I needed somewhere easy access where I could always keep an eye on it. And this is the inside. So I want to do the electrical work and the plumbing and then paint, so that I can paint over everything, get it a nice, you know. And yeah. So right now what we're doing is we're trying to put these in. It's beautiful. Takes regular bulbs, but these are some little small bulbs, you know. Get it out your way, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm gonna have 3 right here, and then once I put 3 on this beam, I'm gonna put 3 lights all the way there, which will take care of the front. And these are very small bulbs, and I could get I think these are LEDs, but I could get LEDs for these, so that I only have to use 12 volt, you know. So maybe later I might just this box could turn 12 volt just for the lights, you know, and that would be good. So right now I'm about to start screwing them up and bolting them to the frames. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah, and that's the when I'm finished, I'll do another video. So I'm done. That's the lights. Yeah, that's the lights and the bulbs. These little bulbs right here. They don't even come out the thing. They're so good. It's simple. You know what I mean? And that's the light right there. And now I have this one. These are plastics. The thing is, I gotta be careful with what light I put over here, because whatever light I'm putting over here gotta be. But I'm thinking these 3 is good. You know what I mean? If anything, the little one, I'll put I could put a big bulb here to brighten up the place. So I don't think I need anything else over there, but just plugs. Alright? Yeah. Looking good. Got the countertop right here. Once I get the sink in, then I can cut some more off this counter to make more room. Then that's a spot right there for the refrigerator. Mm-hmm.